Go.
FullTiltOn's Holy Grail!
Two.
You do two, yeah, so you're supposed to do two?
Well, do one bigger one, one little one, just to get some airflow.
I should use a drill, probably. I mean, this should work, but...
Mom.
Okay, so that goes there.
How much do you eat milk? Right?
No, coconut milk is actually when they take the meat and they grate it.
How much water is there going to be in this thing?
I don't know. You just want it to get out so it's not messy when you cut it open, you know?
I still want to drink it.
Yeah, you want to drink that?
We'll do an ASMR video here. Let's listen to the... Oh, probably too close. Okay.
It does make a funny sound.
That's what they did in the video.
Look, here's a look. Daddy got a little bit of coconut.
Oh, did you get to watch the Monty Python Holy Grail video?
Yeah.
You did. I didn't get to watch it.
Oh,
we are not sponsored by Flying Dog, but if they want to sponsor us, then that'd be great.
I know.
Pound for pound, coconut water is...
Can I taste
Yeah,
the water?
go ahead.
Do you want to taste it?
They say don't drink it. Why do they say don't drink it?
They just say don't buy it. Yeah,
Oh.
it's not
It's
sweet.
not as good. It's not sweet.
So cook
No, you can
it.
definitely cook it. It
I'll
definitely
cook with it.
Tastes
Like
not bad.
coconutty.
But yeah,
This is supposed to be quick crack.
quick crack. That's what it's supposed to do. This feels dangerous. I think a hatchet would have been better, right?
It's not that quick.
Crack yet. This is a tough nut to crack. I see. It's coming. I feel like
No more banging.
Swiss Family Robinson here. It's okay. It didn't quite crack right there.
Yum!
Got the rum and the coconut.
I'm supposed to do this.
What are you supposed to do?
You're supposed to wear it on your head
Look at him.
like this. See?
No, he's not. Don't...
It's a helmet. Hey.
I thought this knife was better.
You did.
Couldn't do that again. You need to do the other one. That one makes a different sound. Did it get kind of
It does look like an acorn, doesn't it?
It does.
All right, it's a bowling ball.
Oh, did it actually kind of slip back together? Wow.
Kind of can.
Go.
Day, he said day, oh. Daylight come by, me wanna go home. Okay, these aren't bananas. All right, roll the credits. Insert cheesy music here. I don't have any cheesy music. Darn it, I didn't think this through. Let's see,
Okay.
what's the Holy Grail music? I haven't seen that movie in forever. Well, time to go watch Holy Grail.